Yes guys, Mick here. Now in today's video I'm actually just at a car meet. We've already been to one location, but I'm just been enjoying myself. But yeah, decided to whack out the camera. So it's a bit different to what I normally film, because I'm not really a person that goes to car meets anymore. But yeah, it is my mate's meet. Malik, you would have seen him on the channel. I did make a video on his 218i and his M240, which he recently, if I can get away with saying that, but yeah, recently bought. But yeah, as I said, we've been to the first location already, and we're at the second location now. A few more cars have actually turned up, so I'll just give you a little montage of what's here, and then speak to Malik and see what's going on. So yeah. Here he is, main man.
Yeah, man,
Malik.
let's go. So I didn't expect to turn out. It was meant to be like a trial in it, just to see what we could get out. But obviously, there's my car. We got the main man himself, the tuner, Mr. Mabs. We've got a Fiesta over there drifting, as they do. Obviously, we got Pav with his C63 AMG. The no place hard.
I'm loving this.
NVM tune,
such a
stage
meat.
1. Yeah, stage 1. And then behind you, you've got obviously that 330E. You got Angels, V8 Babes, Ford Mustang. That's a straight pipe. Shoots flames. You got the C63 AMG plaid. Now why? The loud boy, but he's not ripped it today. So I don't know what's going on there.
My rifle's not here, innit?
But you got ripped anyways, bro. We're doing it now, innit?
Yeah. It's too cold.
Doesn't matter, bro. You just drove from one location to the other. It's not cold. Start it up now. We got Fizzy. Fizzy, where's Fizzy? I need to know what Fizzy's done to this. I'm not sure whose that is. Not sure whose that is. We got this Fiesta. If you've been on my channel,
Jesus Christ, Malik.
This is sick.
Yeah,
like
nah, this
Honda.
is cold. This is cold.
Sounds like a Honda. You got Kima's A1. It's up for sale, by the way. If anyone wants to buy it. Everybody knows this stage 3 GTI manual.
Stage 3, yeah.
Stage 3, especially like 500 brake. And that's on high boost. On low boost, it's about 420.
Low boost 450.
Yeah, low boost 450. The owner's right here.
I'm not the owner. Whose car is that, bro? Who's that?
Oh,
Tia Hamza's car?
Oh, yeah, Tia Hamza's car. And then got Mia's 120D, which kept up with a stage 2 Golf. Wow, that's sad. You got the M3 classic,
it's cold.
owned by man himself.
Yeah, it's yours. It's cold, man.
You got them guys partying over there. You got Nathan chilling on his hood. So I zoom into Nathan's face.
Big,
yeah, that's
big Nath, look at him.
And then you got Mixed Whip, the bad boy 135. You got Sonny's Whip. And then you got Adam 340 on TikTok. You can follow him. And then I don't know if follows you guys. But yeah, man, it's been a good time now. I'm very grateful for everyone who turned up in it.
Yeah, man.
So it's been good so far.
I've been enjoying it, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice little cruise on the motorway.
Huh? Definitely gonna do more of these.
Yeah, I'll come, man.
I won't do a weekly thing because I just shredded my tyres and I've got no tyre left. And I know people are gonna peer pressure me and I'd fall to it. So
you could check my Instagram for that as well, man.
I regret it already, but nah, it's not too bad. I mean, that tyre is now legal limit. But that's about it. It's been good otherwise.
Yo, that rear end's looking nice though, man.
Thank you, man.
Nice.
Yeah, I booked you around the world in it. So obviously I've done a stage 2 plus with MBM with it.
You've had so much changes since I last had you on the channel.
Yeah, we need to do another review on it.
Yeah, man, it's gonna happen.
Basically, I've done double res delete. Obviously, you know that.
They don't know this. They don't know this. No, remember the only video. Remember the only video we done is when you picked it up.
Okay, so yeah. So from then, double res delete. Then I had NVM shielded decut down pipe, the intake, high pressure fuel pump, stage 2 plus gearbox.
What one you gone with? Fuel pump.
B50 to U pump. The
Yeah.
Yeah, stage 2 plus software, and then stage 3 gearbox map in XHP.
So who actually done the work?
Mr.
I shouldn't have to ask, but you know, just for people on the channel.
So he did that. Cars running. So it was a very hot day. It was like 35 degrees temps, and we pushed 463 and 670 newton meter torque. So we pushed.
Did you do it in heat? You tuned it in heat wave?
I
feel like nuts.
So did that. Obviously, he said to me that in the colder temps, it's like a 20 horsepower difference. So we'll probably push about 480, 490, somewhere around there. Yeah. So
damn.
I'm happy with it as it is. So I'm scared the crap out of me, and it sounds insane.
It's fast.
As you've heard.
It's fast, and it sounds nuts.
I know. I'm just letting it cool down because I kind of sent it a bit.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. It's just that one. Yeah, man.
Still nice. Very nice, man.
Yeah, I'm glad, man.
And I love this color. One of my favorites.
I know, man.
One of my favorites.
I love it. My baby. Yeah, but
Tune boy.
check them out. Obviously, this is the G8 itself. The M3. This is pushing 700 brake and nearly on race fuel. I think it was. It pushed like over 1,000 newton meters of torque, which is mad. And like it's probably one of the quickest M3s.
That is mad.
And now I know who the Polo belongs to. Yeah, man. This is so far what's gone down. We've been to 3 locations now.
So you only come for the last one and then this one.
Yeah, and then we came to this one. So we missed on the initial one. But the 2 fair, that was quiet. That was just everyone getting together. But second and third is where it really kicked. This is where it really kicked off. We got a couple people more come in.
That is sick.
So it's been good, man.
Really good meet, Malik.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
But yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, man. Glad, man. We'll catch up anyway wherever it goes to next. But I'm low on petrol. I'm low on tire tread, so I think it's there for me. Oh yeah.
To be fair, I'm nice for fuel anyway. I'm nice.
I'm out to siphon.
And you know, I'm not
Oh,
just that look at
that. That is beautiful, man.
That is nice. Nice F80. That is cold.
And here's Sunny.
Everyone knows Sunny.
Everyone knows Sunny. Famous Sunny.
The famous.
Can't miss it.
Mr. Cadbury.
Mr. Cadbury, man.
Right.
Yours is
These rims though, man.
Yeah, fire
oh, man. What are they? Oh, the MV4, chilly. Yeah. They're cold.
Especially you yourself, right? It's right opposite.
Yeah, Malik, the night's young.
Thanks, man.
So we just see what's happening, man.
He's young, yeah, man. We'll see what we can do in it. Where he goes to.
Bless, man.
We're gonna do a link up.
Let's go. Let's go. It's ringing, bro.
There we go. That's 7. Oh, no, 6.
Maliky, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Carnage.
Carnage? Same, bro.
Come on, Malik.
Grab it now.
Yeah, come on.
I've got no petrol right now.
Okay. Mabs, he's too dangerous, man. It's too dangerous. Yeah, so I know it's proper dark, you probably can't see me, but yeah, obviously the meet's over. We just went for a cruise and everything, for like some tunnel runs and stuff. But yeah, man, it was all a good meet, so cannot complain. I think I'll probably do more of these. Yeah, like that one's just here, man.
Try stepping in the road.
Yeah. Malik. I'm off, bro.
Yes, man.
Lovely meet, man.
Thanks,
Lovely
man.
meet.
Thank you for turning out. Everyone that turned out. Sick day, man.
Yeah, man.
And then you stop.
Yeah, there's only like 4 cars left in obviously we got Mix, we got
Oh,
Mickey blockers for one.
Yeah. Let me go and move my car. But
Quick
yeah.
outro, but yeah, nice seeing you,
Alright.
man.
Lovely,
Next link
man.
up, man. Take
Lovely.
care. I need
Safe,
to
man.
find them. A little bit
Safe.
of yeah.